Find your edge with the Nautilus Performance Series T618 Treadmill. It gives you the training programs, tracking tools, and comfort features you need to push your limits and hit your goals. The T618 lets you create and measure your own customized workouts with 26 unique training programs. For race training, the Nautilus Pacer has your back with real-time coaching that tells you when you're on, above, or below the ideal pace to meet your goal. The T618 even measures your endurance capacity and gives you a fitness score at the end of your workout. When you're feeling adventurous, you can also experience the ultimate mixed reality training app, Explore the World. Travel the world while you train with the amazing new digital fitness experience that lets you explore short and long courses all around the globe. Just choose and download the course you want. With the addition of Bluetooth, track your data, and take a tour through breathtaking scenery without ever stepping outside. The T618 is geared towards your comfort and convenience. With features like our exclusive rebound cushioning deck, which minimizes stride impact while maximizing kickoff. Speed and incline controls integrated right into the handrails, so you can adjust them without slowing down. And a built-in USB charging port to keep your battery life full while you work out. Plus, a 3.5 CHP motor, 2.75-inch rollers, a 20 by 60-inch gym-quality running pad, telemetry-enabled heart rate monitoring with wireless chest strap or grip sensors, premium in-console speakers, and a 3-speed fan. All of which adds up to a treadmill that delivers the performance results you want and the connected metrics you need to hit your goals. That's Nautilus training.
Let's take a look at the Soul F80, the fourth in our treadmill family. With a space-saving design, it's been called the best buy in all aspects. We've coupled our ultra-durable double horseshoe welded steel deck with our Cushion Flex Whisper Deck suspension system that reduces impact up to 40%, so you can put its powerful motor to the test. And when you're done, our Easy Assist folding design makes it simple to fold up and roll out of the way. With the push of a button, get an expert-programmed run to burn fat or boost cardio. Handle-mounted buttons help you stay in control, and the large screen keeps you focused on your goals, with a console designed to keep you energized, refreshed, and hydrated. You can even connect your smartphone or tablet to track your workouts over time. And because it's built by Soul, you can trust it for years of fitness. Get the full list of features, specifications, and more at our website. Then see for yourself why the combination of features and price make the F80 our best all-around treadmill.
Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start your journey with the T7603 by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Introducing Soul's new F63 Treadmill. The F63's solid steel frame comes equipped with Soul's Cushion Flex Whisper Deck, which reduces impact to your joints by up to 40% and can allow for a user weight capacity of up to 325 pounds. Soul's high-end rollers lead to a longer lifespan on its motors, letting you increase your speeds and inclines with ease. The F63's vibrant 6.5-inch screen conveniently displays real-time data to keep you informed and motivated. With online workouts also becoming a trend, streaming videos during your workout can sometimes be necessary. That's why the F63 is equipped with Bluetooth audio speakers, an integrated tablet holder, and a USB charging port to bring some of those extra little comforts to your workout. You can also feel comfortable in knowing your Soul machine is supported with an unbeatable warranty. It includes 3 years on parts, 1 year in home labor, and lifetime on the frame. It's time to bring the gym home to you. Get the F63 Treadmill today and let Soul move you.